is the opportunity to connect with other professionals.
To not only collaborate and network with your colleagues from around the world, but there's some amazing sessions that are happening. There's so many to choose from at each time, so it's hard to kind of decide.
You're just gonna learn so many things. I feel like a workshop for everyone here. Like there's something that you're going to be interested in. It's just a phenomenal conference. You can tell how much thought was put into every piece of it and making you feel welcome, making sure you're learning.
Being able to learn from each other and learn with each other is an amazing opportunity. I would definitely recommend the IB Global Conference to other educators.
Just the level of the presenters is like next level. It's definitely a worthwhile conference. I can't imagine how much different my school year would be if I had missed the conference this time around.